Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share Canva edits with fellow Canva users. So let's say that you have a team and you want to share the design in Canva with your team. You can just go to the Canva homepage and then here is the thumbnail of my design. For example, I want to share this one right here, so just click on the three dots icon and you'll find there is a share options, and in here you can see the this design has been shared by me with my team. So you can change the role here if whether they can edit, comment, view, or you don't want to share. Just click on one of these options, and you can also just type their emails in Canva, their emails they use, or you can just copy the link and then share it with your colleagues or team. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye!